Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a beige interior. Around to the back here, our 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, blind spot assist, memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage in this vehicle is 2,903, and we have a push-button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, backup camera, shifter, and center console, and climate control. Yeah, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.